Hi, my name is Manuela. I'm interior designer at IKEA. I'm gonna take you for a tour in this small space apartment here. It's 11 square meters and the parents have their loft bed in the middle of the living room, using all the space and the height. A bit unusual for a living room, but here it works perfectly. If they want to have more privacy, they just close down this curtain. Over here, that's the place where everything gets stored and organized. The parents have their cabinets up to the ceiling, and the kids have a lot of space underneath for playing. They have this fantastic furniture, big drawers to fit all their toys, easy to clean up, take them out, put them in, close it again. And if you leave out these drawers, you get a desk. You can have 2 extra seating chairs underneath. It turns into a desk here. We have some stackable stools here on the side, which you can take out to use as your coffee table or even as a footstool. Put up your feet as well. The kids can sit on the platform here. Underneath here, you have space to personalize your room. You have these display shelves all the way around. These cushions here, they're easily to change. You just swap the cover with a nice new pattern. And we put up this canvas underneath here, just to cover the bed from underneath. Hello!